everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you few kurti designs. These are latest designer patterns and can be wear on any occasions. So please continue watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.